man sent me a text and said, what do I think about tattoos? I said, if you have it before you are born again, there's nothing that can happen. But if by the time you are born again and you still want to do all of these things, you see, all things are lawful, but not all. In the kingdom, it's not all about sinfulness and righteousness. There are times it's about foolish and wise. There were 10 virgins, they were all virgins, and yet as virgins they still suffered, because 5 were foolish and 5 were wise. Are we together now? If I draw a mouse on my head now and I come to preach and I say it's my life, it's not my business, please don't feel bad. I'm just to touch on it and then we'll pray. Are we together? And you don't, I just tell you, will you believe if I'm praying for you? Let's not say these things don't matter and keep making a fool out of ourselves. No, sir. If someone did it in the past and the person